Don't you just hate when you've lost so much weight? You've worked your arse off to get in good condition in terms of where you are now. You've lost that substantial amount of body fat. Then all of a sudden, you've hit a weight loss plateau. Today, I'm going to discuss with you 3 things that will help you break that weight loss plateau today, here on Exchange for Gains.
Let's exchange your mind up, your mind up. Let's exchange for what? Exchange for gains. Join that gym, get lost to the moment. Let's turn that to a lifestyle. We ain't getting any younger. Why fall to the side and lie down? Give it those plates, I'll push that. The only food ever put in my body be good. I don't wanna look bug when I look back. I wanna look wham. Get them gains. This trending and fitness, trust to the process.
After losing quite a lot of body fat, a lot of us tend to think that we're still within a caloric deficit, but actually we're not. The deficit that you applied when you were, for example, 200 pounds and losing weight is no longer going to have the same effect or the same results now that you've dropped the weight. For example, now that you're 175 pounds. So what do? Essentially, now what you need to do is reset and reevaluate. Calculate your current calories at maintenance level using a TDE calculator and apply a deficit of your choice from there. Quite often this does the trick and you'll definitely start to see a difference in terms of breaking through your weight loss plateau. By the way, my good people, if you're feeling this channel, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. If you have not subscribed or you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe now. Press pause, subscribe, like the video and continue watching. If you feel as if you're already within a caloric deficit but for whatever reason the results are not being exposed on the scale, my advice to you would be to bump up your cardio session between 15 and 25%. If you're currently doing 10,000 steps per day, bump that up to 12,000 steps per day. If you're currently spending sort of like between 30 to 45 minutes on the treadmill, again, bump that up slightly with an incline walk. What I would suggest is doing 20 minutes on an incline on the treadmill followed by a standard brisk walk. Again, just by making small changes, you will see an increase within the results. By increasing our step count or perhaps increasing our cardio sessions by potentially 15 to 20 minutes, you will see an increase in terms of the results coming through in terms of your weight loss plateau being broken. You just have to be patient and you have to be consistent in your approach. Try this for between 2 to 4 weeks. If you see the weight coming off between the 2 to 4 weeks, continue with the approach. If you haven't seen the results coming through, bump your steps up or perhaps your cardio sessions up just a little bit more. Don't go over the top with it, but be consistent within your approach. You will, I guarantee, see the results come through. Have a rest. Take a break. Your body has gone through so much in terms of being in a caloric deficit for a long period of time. You've worked so hard to lose that substantial amount of body fat. What I would suggest is continue eating at maintenance level for the next perhaps 3 to 6 weeks. Allow your body and your mindset to recuperate and digest in your new weight. And then when you feel refreshed and rested, go again to shed those last few pounds. Alright my good people, that's all from me for today. Like I said previously, if you're feeling this channel, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Add me up on the socials. The name is The Rod Official on the Instagram, the TikToks and the Twitter. But until then, those are my 3 tips in order for you to break through your weight loss plateau. They do work. Just have the correct mindset, apply them correctly, and those last few pounds that you've literally been struggling to get rid of, you will get rid of them. Peace.
Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I make those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren.